In this video, we're going to guide you through the simple and essential process of forwarding messages on your iPhone. Whether that's a regular text message, an iMessage, or some photo or video, the process is the same for all message types, so just follow my steps. It's pretty easy. You want to open the Messages app on your iPhone and then open a conversation in which the message that you want to forward is. You can forward your own messages or a message that someone sent you. It's the same process. We want to long press the message until this menu with these options appears. We will then click on this More option. You can see that the message is selected, and you can select even more messages if you need to, but I'll only forward this one. We now have to click on this little arrow at the bottom right corner, and that will open a new menu where we just have to enter in the phone number or the name of your contact. The message is in the text box, so just enter the person to which you want to forward the message. You can select multiple contacts by tapping on this plus button, and that's essentially it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.